D.
I was running through the house, feeling like a king. My dog at my heels with a wag and a fling. But in one fateful step, I heard a yelp and a cry. Turns out my path to glory was just a dark side. Stepped on my dog's nuts, so what a shock. Didn't mean to hurt him, just went for a walk. Now he's howling in pain, can't take it anymore. Stepped on my dog's nuts, I'm sorry to the core. The guilt hit me hard like a thundering drum. I never meant to cause my furry friend some harm. But in the heat of the moment, in the rush of the day, I crushed his precious jewels. Now what can I say? Stepped on my dog's nuts, so what a shock. Didn't mean to hurt him, just went for a walk. Now he's howling in pain, can't take it anymore. Stepped on my dog's nuts, I'm sorry to the core. I'll make it up to him, I'll shower him with love. I'll treat him like a king, my precious furry dove. But the memory lingers, the guilt won't let go. Stepped on my dog's nuts, oh what a blow.
One sunny day, I opened my eyes to a familiar face, a lovely surprise. But in my days I couldn't resist mistaking my dog for my sister, I insist. Oh, what a delightful little twist. A furry sibling I couldn't resist, with loyal eyes and a wagging tail. In my dog's sister's love prevails. She nuzzled close with warmth so true. My sister in fur, a bond renewed. With playful barks and gentle paws, in her embrace I found no flaws. Oh, oh, what a delightful little twist. A furry sibling I couldn't resist, with loyal eyes and a wagging tail. In my dog's sister's love prevails. Some may chuckle, some may grin, but in her presence I find kin. A sister fur, a friend so dear. In her loyalty I hold her near. Oh, oh, what a delightful little twist. A furry sibling I couldn't resist, with loyal eyes and a wagging tail. In my dog's sister's love prevails. So if you see us together and they're so true, know that in her sister I beautiful. In this life of unexpected turns, a dog's love a sister deserves.
There's a boy with fire in his eyes. He's got a voice that echoes through the skies. Every day as the sun begins to set, if he takes a stand, he won't forget. Won't forget. He's yelling at the dogs, barking at the moon. In his heart there's a wild monsoon. he's standing tall, refusing to cave. For in his anger there's a passion deep, a spirit untamed, a promise to keep. He's yelling at the dogs, barking at the moon. In his heart there's a wild monsoon. Every shout, he finds his voice forever with the cause he makes his choice. Why do I guess? So if you hear a voice fierce cry, know that beneath it dreams fly high. He's not just yelling at the dogs, you see. He's shouting out loud, he's being free.
Well, down yonder by the old oak tree, there's a pup with eyes so sweet to see. With a wag of his tail he stole my heart, and from that moment we never part. Kissing my dog under the southern sky, his fur so soft like a cloud floating by. With a bark and a howl he brings me joy, my old companion, my furry cowboy. In the fields we roam and play, chasing rabbits on a sunny day. But when the sun sets low and the stars shine bright, I plant a kiss on his nose in the moonlight. Kissing my dog under the southern sky, his fur so soft like a cloud floating by. With a bark and a howl he brings me joy, my old companion, my furry cowboy. Some folks may wonder, they may jest and tease, but our love is pure like a gentle breeze. In each other's arms we find our home, in this bluegrass melody we'll always roam. So here's to my dog, my faithful friend, together forever until the very end. In this world of chaos, he's my peace, my four-legged angel, my love will never cease. Kissing my dog under the southern sky, his fur so soft like a cloud floating by. With a bark and a howl he brings me joy, my old companion, my furry cowboy. Together forever until the very end. In this world of chaos, he's my peace, my four-legged angel, my love will never cease. Kissing my dog under the southern sky, his fur so soft like a cloud floating by. With a bark and a howl he brings me joy, my old companion, my furry cowboy.
Between the love of my life and so true, my wife by my side, loyal and kind, but my dog's wagging tail always on my mind. It's a choice I must make, a path to take between love and loyalty, a heartache. But in the end, my heart's true call. I choose my dog through it all. Cooks my meals and shares my bed, but my dog's companionship fills me instead. With cuddles and barks, a bond so pure, choosing my dog, my heart sure. It's a choice I must make, a path to take between love and loyalty, a heartache. But in the end, my heart's true call.
choose my dog through it all. It's a choice I must make, a path to take between love and loyalty, a heartache. But in the end, my heart's true call. I choose my dog, but through it all. So I bid farewell to a love once strong, but my dog's loyalty I'll never wrong. In the end, my heart's true call. I choose my dog through it all. To my wife I say with love profound, with my dog.
I had a pair of clippers, shiny and new. Thought I'd trim my hedges, that's what I do. But in a mix of a furry delight, I shaved my neighbor's dog. What a sight! Oh, the dog with a shave and a coat so bare. I didn't mean to, it was all a dare. A fluffy mess turned into a trend, but my neighbor's dog's still a friend. The clippers hummed, I had a plan to trim those bushes, make them grand. But Rover came by with the wagging tail. I shaved a pattern without fail, oh the veil, without fail. And I shaved a pattern without fail. Oh, the dog with a shave, a coat so bare. I didn't mean to, it was all a dare. A fluffy mess turned into a trend, but my neighbor's dog, still my friend. Oh, the dog with a shave, a coat so bare. I didn't mean to, it was all a dare. A fluffy mess turned into a trend, but my neighbor's dog, still my friend. The clippers hummed, I had a plan to trim those bushes, make them grand. But Rover came by with the wagging tail, and I shaved a pattern without fail. Moving down the avenue, sun shining bright, with my furry frame, feeling so right. Every wag of his tail, every bark lets out, brings a smile to my face, erasing any doubt. In his eyes I see a love so true. In this funky rhythm our bond shines through. With every ball step, with every play step, with every playful leap, in his company my heart's on a disco beat. In love with my dog, feeling funky and free, dancing together, just him and me. Under the disco ball, our love's on display. In this funky groove we'll forever sway. Through the park we stroll to the funky sound. He's my partner in crime, we're always around. With his fur so soft and his nose so
From the backyard to open skies, my faithful friend with eager eyes. He takes the helm of dreams to pursue my dog, the pilot, brave and true. Soaring high above the Congo's mist, in his cockpit he can't resist. But as he flies, his fur begins to shed. In the African sky his fate is spread. Through the clouds and over the trees, he feels the wind as it starts to tease. But with each flight, his fur takes flight. In the Congo's heat, it's his final plight. Soaring high above the Congo's mist, in his cockpit he can't resist. But as he flies, his fur begins to shed. In the African sky his fate is spread. With each mission, he's pushed to the brink. In the Congo's heart, he tries to think, but as his fur falls, he feels the strain. In the pilot's seat, there's only pain. With his wings of courage, he fights the air. But in the African heat, he starts to wear. His fur is gone, but his spirit stays in the Congo sky. Soaring high above the Congo's mist, in his cockpit he can't resist. But as he flies, his fur begins to shed. In the African sky his fate is spread.